Hey, I'm Nash from the Scratch Report. If you've made it to our channel, I'm sure you're wondering what makes a lottery ticket good. Is it tickets with high prize values? Are the expensive tickets better? In the lottery, it may come as no surprise that the house always wins. This is due to a concept called expected utility. This is the average value of the ticket to you. When you buy a lottery ticket, for say, $20, the ticket actually has an expected utility of $15. So, if you bought all the tickets, you'd get back $15 on average for every $20 you spent. This means that when all the tickets have been bought and all the prizes handed out, the house profits $5 off of each ticket they sell. But wait. Not all tickets are sold at the same time, and not all prizes are claimed at the same rate. So, expected utility changes. As tickets get purchased without top prizes being claimed, the expected utility of each ticket purchased later increases. Let's look at an example to analyze that statement. Imagine you're playing a simple lottery game, where you have a 2% chance of winning $100, 10% chance of winning $50, and 88% chance of winning nothing. If many non-winning tickets are purchased the first day of sales, there are fewer tickets overall, but the same number of winning tickets. This means there are higher odds of winning a top prize, and the expected utility of each ticket increases. Sometimes, the expected utility of each ticket goes up so much that it actually exceeds the ticket price. In our previous example, the expected utility increased from $7 to over $29. If the tickets cost less than $29 and you were to buy all of the remaining tickets, you would make a profit. That's why our channel is here. We'll show you some of the best and some of the worst tickets each week, based on expected utility stats. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with our channel and predictions each week.